Here's a simple finger independence drill. Place your index on the 5th fret, middle on 6, ring on 7, and pinky on 8, 1 finger per fret. Alternate pick down, up on a single string. Keep the notes even and let each finger press cleanly without buzzing. This trains control and focus. Just 2 minutes.
Here's a quick drill to build right hand power and discipline. Lock in an E minor chord and we're going to play only downstrokes, quarter notes at 70 beats per minute. Listen and watch the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's how to make the G to C to D change sound effortless. Start with G, index on the 2nd fret of A, middle on the 3rd of low E, ring on the 3rd of B. Give it 1 slow downstroke. Now melt into C. Keep the ring finger as a guide, drop the index to first.
For this quick drill, play the open 1st string with a down-up motion. Keep your wrist soft and loose, letting it do the work. This simple exercise reduces tension and helps you develop a smoother, better tone.
Here's a quick focus booster, the PIMA pattern on strings 4 to 1. Thumb on 4, index on 3, middle on 2, ring on 1. Nice and steady. Thumb, index, middle, ring. Let each note ring out. Try it a few times a day.